What's going on? What's going on, man? Another day, another video, another. Oh man, it's been a killing week. I'm telling you guys, it's just been amazing, man. We've been straight up killing it over here in the market. $3,600 on the day. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you right now, this is the best week of my trading career. I am telling you, I've been killing it in the market. It's insane. I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what how I made this. These moves, man. My first trade, I made almost $1,700 on the first trade of my. Oof, it was like in 15 minutes, it was already up $1,600. I was like, good God. So let's break down exactly what I did today. But before we start, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and be part of this channel. I mean, I do also trade with the team, and they made money today too. So, they're learning the setups. They understand the flow of what I'm doing. And then, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a like. A like or a comment down below so I can, so I can share it with you guys. So, down here, if you guys see the morning dip, man, the morning dip today was amazing. On the 5 minute chart, I was waiting for the first candle on the 5 minute. This is a 1 minute chart, but on the 5 minute, if you look, this is what I was waiting for. Okay, I was waiting for. I was so skeptical of jumping in there, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait. On the 1 minute, I jumped on the 5 minute for the 5 minute opening, but I jumped in on the 1 minute entry here because I saw the momentum on the level two. It was just amazing, man. It was just crazy. The price action was just so bullish. Came down here on the second. I jumped in and I held it for a 590. Right there, that trade put me at 1675 somewhere on it. And look, it kept running. I missed out another $1,000 right there. But hey, I was just looking at it from a technical point, and it just kept rolling, right? Obviously, I still took the trade here again on the pullback on the minute, and I was taking trades and I was making small gains on these little pops every time. And the reason why I was doing it is because the price action was super freaking bullish, super bullish. So they were just waiting for it to hit on the EMA and then just take off. It just, man, Tesla bulls are, when I say Tesla bulls are, they are the best, man. Damn Tesla bulls, they don't be playing, man. They be buying. Okay? So let's take a look exactly of the 5 minute setups, because this is how you also take advantage of 5 minute setups right here. I waited for the 5 minutes to come down to the EMA, and then we jump in back on these little candles right here. We made some profits. It was making a nice little wedge pattern. We with the team, we identified this pattern right here, this rising wedge, and a lot of you got to be careful because with Tesla, man, these rising wedges they could go out to the freaking fine point, and how long are you willing to bleed? That's the question. So it broke out of the wedge, and then it came down now, and now it looks like it's just it's trying to hold support right there, so it can make a head and shoulders pattern on the 5 minutes, and we're currently right now testing that low. So as of right now, I do believe that we could possibly come back to 622 to make a head and shoulders pattern and crack, or we could just come down to the EMA. To the EMA, to the freaking to the VWAP and then rise back up. But if we don't, we will see that top at 625. Yes, this setup right here, man. I'm telling you guys right now, this man killed it. We killed it in the market. We killed it in the market today. Holy moly. Then I go to Neo because I know it was following Tesla, but doing the same similar little pattern here. See this right here was doing a nice little wedge right there, right? Freaking beautiful wedge. Just beautiful, right? I shorted around there. I started shorting around 45, 55. It was going against me a little bit, but I wasn't worried. I was just like, I'm pretty high up there, so I'm shorting. Ended up making about 200 bucks on this move right here. It's funny because I almost gave it back, but I ended up coming back, so I made some money. But if I would have held all the way to the bottom, I mean, it would have put me up a little bit more than what I was. And the reason why I'm doing that is because of the overall pattern. There's that shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder. Maybe we're gonna make this is the head. Maybe we're gonna make the right shoulder and see if we're gonna break out of this pattern. If we do break out of this pattern, then I can see us running up to let's see. I go on my 4-hour chart, and we could maybe go back to 47, somewhere around there. But there's that crucial resistance on the 47, and I quite frankly I'm still I'm short biased on Neo because the whole overall pattern. This is making like a bear flag right here. It's kind of making like a wedge in a way, a low wedge, a bear. I don't know. It's just not. It's looking bearish to me. It looks like it's a head and shoulders on a bear flag, and for me there's a lot more risk right here. I don't even know what the heck happened to my turn. There's a lot more risk for me. I feel like we could come back down to 37. So I don't know. I'm not risking it for the biscuit on that one. Let's see, almost everything in the market was just skyrocketing today. Apple, oof, boy, I tell you what, this was a nice little 2-3% gainer. I mean, it's doing like a head and shoulders pattern, but I don't know. This is a lot of strength, so it could kind of, I don't know what the heck that is doing that. Kind of just, there's a lot of strength here, but it could, I don't know. I don't know what happened, if there was some news or something. And, I'm looking at every stock right now, and it's looking just like this. And Neo, and Snap did make the goal. See, if I was gonna go swing, this is where I would be collecting my profits right here. Why? Because it's overextended, and I needed to do some other pattern in order for me to consider taking the trade. Because it already fulfilled everything in my. It could keep going up and further. It could. I don't know. But I was going on the setup that I had at that moment. Let's see. You also have Payton. This one, they're all doing the same similar little push, right? And I don't know why, but to me, I take advantage of those. I'm not gonna hold it. I'm just gonna take profits. Now, let's see. Facebook is looking solid, right there at support, and I feel like I might take a swing on it. But it's been having some bad news. I've seen it on the news a lot, so I don't know. It might just crack, and it might come down to what is it called, like 264. I don't know. Maybe we'll wait for a better deal on it. And let's see, which one is it? Zoom. Man, I was gonna take a swing on Zoom this morning, but I ended up not taking it. God almighty, I was waiting for 375. I was fishing for pennies. I was just fishing for pennies. And this is not, but it is what it is. We'll keep it at that, guys. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave the comment on the, don't forget to leave it on the comments below, because that's where I can, interact with you guys and help you guys make some money, or, well, in a way, kind of guide or understand of what I do, how I do. But that being said, I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully I can upload tomorrow again, and we could break the record. Well, I'm already broken the record on the week, but I need to break it on, a bigger, I guess, note or whatever. I'll see you guys then.